Everybody out there in YouTube land, just figured I'd make a quick video here while I'm getting loaded. We're making more hay. Nothing exciting. Cody's getting me loaded here. This is the first trailer load that he has loaded so far, so he's still learning how to run the loader a little bit, but he's doing pretty good for a first timer. Blake's way out there running the baler. Zoom in on him a little bit. He's out there running the baler. We got rain clouds. I don't know if you can see them. We got rain clouds off to the west there. So we're trying to beat the rain here. So I'm gonna get some of these trucked back. Then we'll try and wrap them up yet tonight. Fun, fun, fun. This is gonna be a long summer, but hey, I've dreamed about stuff like this my whole life. Finally making everything come together. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I'm gonna fall off the truck. Blake's just rolling right along. He's having to go pretty slow. This is some pretty thick hay. And it did rain a little bit earlier today, so that kind of made it a little bit tough. But yeah, that's about all I got for this one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.